are going on the Rainbow Bridge. On the way to my favorite spot. Let's see if there's any cars there. I like today because it's not too hot, it's not too cold. I mean, the sun is not out, but it's okay. I'm not upset. I'm gonna go check out another drift spot. Daikoku. I did pass by it, but I was on the lower level, so I did see a few cars. Hopefully, from where I was on the lower level, I had to, kind of drive 20 minutes out to get back up, to come back up on top to, get down into the parking lot. So let's see what happens. Let's see if there's any people there. All right, so we're gonna walk around. It's a Huracan just pulled in. Man, it is sick over here right now. Take this autofocus off. I'm gonna record for YouTube, and then I'll do some for Instagram as well. My battery's pretty low, so let's see what we got. I see a couple cars, a couple Skylines, RX-7s, Supras, Super Gang over here actually, and a few supercars. Like I said, Huracan just pulled up. I think I saw a Ferrari over here as well, and then there's another. I think there's a 458 back there as well. So let's see let's just do what I do. Let's just take some pictures and videos. Beautiful NSX. There's actually a V-Spec 2 model. These sick, beautiful BBS wheels. I think it's nasty. This wing is pretty badass. He has it like upside down. It's pretty cool. V-Spec 2 model. This thing is nasty, clean, beautiful. I would love to get a side shot of this, but this Honda NSX is no way. So this is a Honda NSX. The white one there is actually an Acura, which is pretty cool. Yeah, beautiful. This is really, really clean. Really clean. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's okay. We got two Soras over here now. Nice. Turbo. The 3.0 model. I love the, I still like the original, like this style, but I love the all red tail lights on the Soras. They look really, really nice. This is really cool. And he got some sick wheels. Let me come on this side real quick so I can see this. It's 5-speed, of course. I gotta get this for my car once I bring one of these over. 675 dump. Look at that. Sick. Look at these wheels, bro. I love this. It's so cool. So cool. Yeah, you got the cool sun blocker there. I heard this one automatic. Yeah, this one was automatic. I heard it coming down. It's pretty sick. Still sick though. It's beautiful R34. I took a ton of pictures of this R34. It looks so nice. Beat up. This thing is like this compared to all the other ones. This is beat up right here, which is good. That means he uses this thing. He beats on this. Of course, 6-speed. Of course, got the Nismo wing. Nice. There's a sick RX-7 over there. I'm gonna get some footage of it. I took a ton of pictures. I got a regular 911, which is cool. Brand new though. But I want to come here for the AMG guys. The AMGs are nasty. Look at this. Look at that. Nasty. Nasty. Look how beautiful that is. Dude, that is so sick. So that one has the black inner lip. Then this one has the blue inner lip, and then this one has the carbon fiber with the dual splitter in the front. Different guard. Different, just different. So he has the black top. He has, I think his is the carbon top. This one's the carbon top. This is the glass top. And it's just this one has the regular one, but this is freaking nasty. Bi-turbo. It's beautiful. They take it. These are the OGs, right? These are businessmen right here. This thing is beautiful right here. So we'll get some shots of this in a second. Look at that. What do you guys know about the B3 bi-turbo Alpina right here? This thing is nasty. This one's actually left-hand drive, of course. Nasty. Another Benz just pulled up. All new models. Beautiful. I'm gonna take some more pictures. I'm in love with these blue ones right now. Alright, so back to filming. I was taking a bunch of photos. Turbo S. This is what I really came for. Now it's funny, I've seen this guy a few times running around in this area on the highway. Same guy, I'm not sure where the owner is. I think he walked off before I can catch up to him. So I wanted to try and talk to him. But this thing, it's super beautiful. Five-speed, of course, original. This thing is nasty. Another GTR 35. There's actually a blue one right there as well. Super, super duper clean. Very clean. Super duper clean. So, but this thing is pretty much badass. So, I'm looking for the owner of this car as well, so I can ask him if he can open the engine for me, the hood, so I can just take a peek, take some pictures inside. He's probably walking around doing the same thing I'm doing. This color is crazy. Also super fresh, super clean. Now, this is what I've been waiting for, something like this to come. So, I love the 240, I love the Skyline. Now, alright, I need to jump in traffic real quick because this, do you see that? Do you see this? I'm gonna try not to get too excited, but this to me is the greatest thing of all time. Now, I wish it was white, but it's okay. I'll take that color as well. I had to chase him down. Oh my God. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. This is turbo as well. Damn, dude. to change my pants. I'm sorry. Man, I really wanted to take some photos of it, but he left. Broke my heart. So we got the whole European squad right here. A bunch of M2s, 335s, M3s. I think I saw M3 earlier. And then we have all the... Oh, here goes M3. And then we got an E92 over here. And then we have all the bi-turbos, Benzes, and things like that. Man, this guy is dumping over here. Okay. Anyways. So we got a lineup of sick ass cars. Look at this. This is amazing. Super duper fresh. Same cars, different wheels. Hey, you got the Accord. So it's pretty cool. We have a few vets here as well. Two sick Trans Am. There's another Trans Am somewhere. Oh. Is it a V-Spec too? Yes, it is. That's nasty. I gotta look at the plate number and see if I know that guy. So many R34s here is just ridiculous. But anyway, so we got a couple vets here. It's pretty cool. Really fresh Trans Am. This thing is nasty. I'm gonna go over there in a second. Cool GTO. This car is like basic right here, so I mean, still nonetheless cool. We don't talk bad about anybody's car. This white one right here is just... He has a little wing on it too. It's pretty sick. Look at that. Let's get some back shots over here. I'm just gonna walk. That fresh vet. Ooh. So what else we have? Let's get some shots. So see what we're working with here. I love these wheels. These wheels are really nice. Huge fan of BBSs. Always have and always will be. I actually really like this color. This is probably the sickest one here, in my opinion. It's this gray one right here. And then second, I would have to go with this one as well. Beautiful. Let me try to get a booty shot real quick. Look at that. Got the C63 right there. Ass to ass. Alright. A few more cars came. Ooh, nice. Oh, wait. Oh, no, this is actually an M5 right here. My favorite body. This is my favorite year of the M5s. It's the V10 one. Favorite. I almost got one of these back in the day. But then I decided to spend another 10 grand in my my drift car. Right, look at the back piece on this. This is nasty. That's an OG right here. It's been in the game for a long time. Look at that. Look at these splitters right here. That's sick. Look at that. Look at these brakes. Got AP Racing calipers. Sick. Some TE37s. That's nice. This car is fresh too. The paint on this thing is immaculate. Of course, nice simple R32 right here with some R34 wheels. Very, very, very clean. With the brown leather, you don't even see this. Very cool though. Very cool. Digging the R34 wheels. Just a simple, clean R32. Stock pipe. Could be open inside. Very clean. I barely see any scratches on this thing. There it is. So here in Yokohama, they have these cop cars right here. Like a newer Toyota Camry. They're undercover. So when you see them driving by, you don't see the little light on top. It just pops up. Boop. And the next thing you know, you get pulled over.